Hey, it's Sean from M is for Motorcycle, and this is the X Pro Max, the flagship motorcycle helmet intercom from ASMAX. The X Pro Max is IP7 waterproof and dustproof. It gives you 40 hours on a single charge. It has fast charging, so just a 10-minute charge provides 3 hours of actual talk time. It features reliable voice control, mesh and Bluetooth intercom connectivity, and it's cross-brand compatible. In this video, I'll show you what comes in the box, I'll grab a helmet off the shelf to install it in, and then run some hands-on tests, including taking it for a ride for some real-world testing. Then I'll give you my personal thoughts on if the X Pro Max stands up to the competition. So let's get to it. Inside the box, you'll find the main communication module, a pair of very large 45mm speakers, 2 microphones, one for a full-face helmet install and a boom mic for open-face helmets. Mounting hardware that includes adhesive pads and clips depending on your install choice, the charging cable and the instruction manual. The installation is straightforward. Remove the helmet cheek pads, install the speakers, run the wires under the pads, use the clip or adhesive mount for the comm unit, and plug in your microphone. Now that the X Pro Max is installed, let's fire it up. We're going to hold both of these buttons, this button here and this button here. The light comes on. Now that we have the X Pro Max installed on this helmet, we can pair it with the app and look for any available firmware updates. We're going to do that by holding down this button here. And now we're connected. Now we can look for any firmware updates.
So riding with the ASMAX Pro, I can tell you that the sound quality is fantastic. It is so clear and crisp, yet there's a nice bottom into it. The music sounds fantastic. And what really impresses me is the voice control. The voice control is super fast and incredibly reliable. Like every command that I give it, it understands it and immediately executes on it. I'm absolutely, genuinely impressed with the voice control and the sound quality. It has excellent noise reduction during phone calls.
Hey, want to stop for coffee?
Sounds great. Last one there has to buy.
My final thoughts here on the X Pro Max. I've owned numerous helmet devices over the years, and I've even reviewed a few right here on M is for Motorcycle. After installing the X Pro Max, pairing it with their ASMAX World app, and putting it through some real-world testing, 2 features impressed me the most: the voice command functionality and the sound quality. The voice commands are noticeably faster and more reliable than any other unit I've owned or tested. And the sound quality is truly superb, easily on par with other premium units from the competition. I also really appreciate the large buttons. They're easy to use even with a gloved hand. At $289 US, the X Pro Max is a seriously feature-packed premium intercom at a very reasonable price. ASMAX provided this unit for review and encouraged me to be completely honest, even if I found negatives. And I can honestly say it's a strong competitor and a unit I would genuinely recommend. So check out the X Pro Max from ASMAX and be sure to tell them Sean from M is for Motorcycle sent you. We'll see you next time. Ride safe.